water war in the south now between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy will meet Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil in Delhi to convey the state's objection to the proposed Polavaram-Banacharla river linking project by neighbouring Andhra Pradesh. This Polavaram link project is aimed at diverting surplus Godavari water to drought-hit regions in Andhra Pradesh. Let's go across to Uma Sudhir now for more. And Uma, this is a very sensitive issue, the water sharing, of course, between states, and now Telangana taking its fears to the centre.
So one of the traditional points of dispute between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has always been the sharing of waters, and in this case Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu going very aggressively wanting to get the Polavaram Banacharla link project implemented. What it means is that 200 TMC of water that Andhra Pradesh is calling as the excess waters, they want to divert to the Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh itself, which will irrigate about 7.5 lakh acres and also provide drinking water to about 80 lakh people. Telangana feels that this is going to be very detrimental to the state of Telangana because they have already been not allowed to use even the allocated waters of 968 TMC that has been given to Telangana, and they say that the building of this project, including the Bullapalli reservoir and the Banacharla reservoir, all that will cause flooding. Even the Bhadrachalam town, which is very famous for its Ram temple, even that can get flooded and several villages can get submerged as well. And they believe that the rights of Telangana waters is being denied and that it is violative of several recommendations that have been made either by the Godavari River Management Board or the Central Water Commission, or even environmental clearances should not be given to it. And therefore, Chief Minister Revant Reddy and Irrigation Minister Uttam Kumar Reddy had gone to C.R. Patil and they presented their case before the entire ministry top officials present there, and they believe that they got a good hearing and they have been given the assurance that without considering Telangana's concerns, the centre would not go ahead. They also expressed the apprehension that because of the relationship that Chandrababu Naidu has with the centre, he should not end up getting the approvals in a hurry, and they are, in that sense, appealing to the centre that all the legal formalities should be carried forward as necessary, and they have said that they will fight this politically, legally, as well as in the People's Court. Back to you.